Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. We are launching JEL, Jetbuilt Engineering Lab, that we're real excited about because it brings for the first time engineering into Jetbuilt. And it's not the way you might expect where we make this drawing program and you got to learn how to do yet another drawing program. We're going to do the drawings for you. Whether you have engineers on your team but you just need a bit of extra bandwidth, or whether you're a small firm that's been struggling to get solid drawings for your projects done. So you've got a project, let's say you've got a second floor control system you've got to get schematics done for. Simply click the button, share it with the JEL team, kind of write up a brief description of what you're looking for. It will go to the engineers. They've got access to your floor plans that you've already got in Jetbuilt, maybe some site photos that you've got in Jetbuilt. They'll see your items inside of Jetbuilt. And they don't concern themselves. They don't even see things like costs and pricing and all that. All they see is the items and how many of them. And they see your scope of work of what the system is supposed to do. And they can put this together. As they have any questions, they can ask within Jetbuilt. And then you, your project manager, whatever it may be, can reply to these questions. So everybody with access to that project can see this discussion thread. So you don't have, Cindy's texting the guy some answers and Larry's, emailing Cindy some thoughts and so on. So you've got all of it right inside of Jetbuilt. So the workflow is fantastic, the engineering is fantastic, and the price is fantastic through the subscription nature of it and the outsourcing nature of it. The price is just a fantastic way for you to supplement or for smaller companies to start building up a engineering team. And we didn't just hire some engineers off the street and say, here's what an AV drawing looks like. But we partnered with AVDL, a fantastic outfit. Some of you guys, a couple of you guys referred us to Sunil and his team. We began to dialogue, and in full disclosure, I actually said, not interested. But Tom Peters on our team just realized the great value of this and began working with Sunil and having conversations. And it just led to this great partnership. So we're real excited to launch this. It's the same price within Jetbuilt as you'd pay for them separately, with the added benefit of it being all inside of Jetbuilt. And so from commission to receiving your drawings back, the conversation and so forth all happens within Jetbuilt. So just a fantastic solution. So if you are interested, reach out to Tom. His information's here in the email, and he can get you set up with an evaluation and kind of walk you through it. And that's JEL. In other news, ISE, Barcelona, Spain, is coming up in just a month. Very excited for this show because we were there last year. I was the only one that could make it there through all the COVID barriers. And we're trying to fight the good fight and do the shows. And then hardly anybody showed up. I mean, people showed up, but it wasn't such a big show like it normally is, because it is normally a gargantuan show with the international community coming, residential, commercial, and the whole bit. We're just real excited for it to be a big show again this year. So looking forward to seeing you there. I'll be teaching a session for CEDIA there. We'll be showing service. We've been building service module and we're very excited about it since day 2 of Jetbuilt. And I say that because on day 1, nobody asked about a service module, but from day 2 forward, for the last 6 years, everybody wants a service module. We've been wanting to build it, but we had to build things like assets and our service programs and our stock module and funnel, these things that all really kind of socket into how a proper service module should work. So it's coming along nicely. We're excited about it. We'll be showing it at ISE, and so come and see us there and you can take a look at that. If you're not going to be there, we'll see you at InfoComm a month later in Vegas, baby. It's been years since the show has been in Vegas because of the whole COVID deal. So very excited to see you guys at either of those 2 places in the next couple of months. And we'll show you those things. We're also launching things every couple of days. You guys can give us a constant stream of input and feedback on the platform and things that might make it better. We take all of those very seriously. We log them all. And poor Krista has to analyze it and prioritize it and so forth. But we do that with a lot of respect to what you guys are all looking for. And then we get them built. And so every day or two, we're launching other little incremental features, which always show up on your dashboard, by the way. I told that to someone the other day, and they're like, what, there's a place where you put new features? We're like, yeah, right there. Hello, your name. Here's what's new in Jetbuilt. So you can always look at that to see what's new. So I guess that's it. If you want to look at JEL, take a look at the website or talk to Tom, or just reach out to support and they'll tell you all about it. In the meantime, this is Paul Dexter signing off.